Number 5, Shadon Sharp is out. Ito ang isa sa pinakamabigat na injury updates nitong mga nakarang araw. Si Shadon Sharp ng Portland Trail Blazers ay sumailalim sa isang surgery matapos magkaroon ng meniscus tear sa right knee. At ang latest report ay nagsasabing inaasahang mawawala siya ng approximately 6 months. Masakit ito para sa Portland Trail Blazers dahil coming off si Sharp sa kanyang best NBA season, averaging career high 20.8 points per game. So hindi lang ito simpleng injury update, malaking adjustment ito para sa Blazers rotation, lalo na habang sinusubukan nilang buuin ang bagong roster nila. Number 4, Nick Richards to Miami. The Miami Heat are continuing to build their front court. Nag-agree ang Heat kay veteran center Nick Richards sa isang 1-year contract. Hindi ito superstar signing, pero very important ang role niya. Miami already has Giannis Antetokounmpo and Bam Adebayo, pero kailangan pa rin nila ng size, rebounding, at physical presence sa loob. At dito nagiging interesting. Hindi kailangan ng Heat na lahat ng additions nila ay stars. Kailangan mo lang ng player na kayang gawin ng dirty work. Number 3, Warriors gumalaw. Golden State Warriors has reportedly agreed to a deal with former first round pick Dalen Terry. Reportedly, ito ay isang 1-year Exhibit 10 contract. Hindi ito blockbuster move, pero interesting pa rin dahil si Terry ay dating 18th overall pick at may 4 seasons na siyang experience sa NBA. Ang tanong ngayon, may makukuha bang value ang Warriors mula sa dating first round pick talent na ito? At habang papalapit ang training camp, every roster spot matters. Number 2, Benedict Mathurin to New Orleans Pelicans. Ito ang isa sa pinakamalaking player movement stories ngayon. According to ESPN Shams Charania, si Benedict Mathurin ay nag-agree sa 2-year $16 million deal with the New Orleans Pelicans, including a player option. At may interesting part dito, Mathurin was previously a restricted free agent with the Clippers at kailangan munang ma-resolve ang qualifying offer situation niya bago tuloy ang maging possible ang move. Pero ngayon, ang direksyon ay New Orleans Pelicans at coming off siya sa career best season, averaging 17.6 points, 5.4 rebounds, and 2.4 assists. Para sa Pelicans, ang goal is obvious, more scoring and more offensive firepower. At para kay Mathurin, malaking opportunity ito para magkaroon ng mas malaking role. Pero number 1, Kuminga at ang Lakers. Ito ang story sa pinakamadaling pag-usapan ng Filipino NBA fans. Akala ng marami, Lakers ang magiging destination ni Jonathan Kuminga, pero biglang Minnesota Timberwolves. At ang mas nakakagulat, report says Kuminga chose Minnesota despite the Lakers reportedly putting a larger offer on the table. So ang biggest question ngayon, bakit Minnesota? Hindi lang ito tungkol sa pera, may flexibility sa deal, may player option, at may opportunity si Kuminga na magkaroon ng bagong environment kasama si Anthony Edwards at Rudy Gobert. Pero para sa Lakers, ito ang mas interesting. Ano ang next move nila? Dahil kapag nawala ang isang major target mo sa free agency, hindi pwedeng basta ka nalang titigil. Pero possible ba ang trade? May bagong target ba? Or magiging aggressive pa ang Lakers sa remaining free agent market? At yun ang kailangan natin bantayan. At tandaan, magkaiba ang confirmed news at speculation. Kuminga's move to Minnesota is the major development. Pero kung may bagong Lakers trade targets na pinag-uusapan, kailangan natin ng credible reports bago natin tawaging final. So ngayon, ang off-season ay parang domino effect. Isang player ang gumalaw, may ibang team na kailangang mag-adjust. Mathurin to New Orleans Pelicans, Dalen Terry to Golden State Warriors, Nick Richards to Miami Heat, Sharp facing a major injury absence, at Kuminga choosing Minnesota over the Lakers. Hindi pa tapos ang off-season at habang papalapit ang training camp, bawat signing, bawat roster move, at bawat credible report pwede maging next big NBA story. Pero kayo, alin dito ang pinaka-importanting move? Malaking mistake ba ng Lakers ang pagkawala kay Kuminga? Smart move ba para kay Mathurin ng New Orleans Pelicans? At may potential bang maging useful addition si Dalen Terry sa Warriors? Comment down below. At kung gusto ninyo na mabilis, updated, at fact-check na NBA news, don't forget to subscribe.